Alright, so these headlights, they come with this adapter harness. Even though they clip right together with the Mercedes parts, the Mercedes parts come in at a 90-degree angle, which makes it hard to shrink it. And I don't have a lot of room here. So I'm contemplating what I need to do to make room or adjust the harness out so I can get it. So that's where we're at right now. Alright, so I've made the most of this. I got some heat shrink here. You see I had to take a bunch of stuff off to get the space to get it done. Taking the washer fluid and the overflow tank out, I was able to get enough room to work in here. So I just got to shrink these up. Just automotive shrink tubing and torch. So hopefully we can do this without too much damage. Let it cool for a second. Well, we got them all heat shrunk. You keep them together, keep them weather tight, put everything back together, ready to do the other side. Alright, so on this side, I couldn't get the wires to fold flat enough to take the smallest cover. So I had to use a larger one and then kind of Siamese it over the smaller one. It's not going to make the best cover, but I'll just come back and electrical tape it, and that should cover it up to keep it out of the elements. I don't drive this car in the wintertime. Honestly, don't drive it very much, so it's not going to be a big deal, but in a perfect world, I probably should have cut this off and got the bullets to go on the female bullets, but I really don't want to modify the original harness in case I ever wanted to go back to the original headlights. If somebody started repopping those, I'd definitely go back to the originals. I do like them, but nobody makes them. They're just too expensive to put back together with those parts. I'll be trying to get a set out of a junkyard and then try to redo them if I can find a really nice set. But until then, these will have to work. But this way, I won't be cutting up the original harness. So that's what we're doing. Can you press record?
What?
Go ahead and put on the record. We can still do the lights.
It's recording now.
Okay.
Headlights work. One is blue and one is not.
Beams,
Okay.
low beams,
Okay, low beam's fine.
fog lights.
Yeah, those work.
Okay.
So I guess when you do the high beams, the driver's side turns blue.
Well, that's that little light. I think that's the little light. I think it's this little thing. See it or no?
No, I can't see it.
You can see it period or?
I gotta shut the door. The driver's side is blue when you first turn it on. Now I don't see blue.
You don't see blue?
No.
Alright. Well, they both look the same though?
Yeah, they look the same.
And why is one like really low? It seems low on the door.
So you did the turn signals off camera?
Are you recording me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, I did. So I dug through my box of junk. I located a turn signal. I just had one from the original accident. There was one in there that worked. So I put that in just to see if it would work, and it did work. So that's done. So we're almost done with this project. Be able to drive it again soon. So a couple more surprises coming for you guys though. So hold on for a minute.